So we got those replacement for the rubber for the windshield wipers, and we are gonna put it here and see if this works. So you can buy just the rubber and replace it into your windshield wipers. So basically you have to pry this out. I use this, you can use a screwdriver, but I use this cap of a pen just to push it out. You see there is like two metal wedges there that are gonna get attached to that, and then you just pull that, just slide it off. Just slide it off. You're gonna have to cut it same length, because those one they come on a fixed side right there. I'm gonna cut it and put the green one, and then we're gonna see how it looks like. This windshield wipers is made by several parts. So what I did, I just disconnect those two plastic. They're gonna be on the side, and the central part I slide in, because it's much easier to do it like that. If not, it's gonna be really hard. I slide into the two brackets that are still connected on one side, my new rubber, and then I'm gonna put this back, mount it back, assembly again, connect the end, and my wiper is gonna be ready to go. Now you see what I did here. Slide this in, the central part, the other one, you just slide it, and then I'm gonna put the cap there, and my new wiper is gonna be ready. Right there, look how beautiful it is with the green rubber wiper blade. I'm gonna put it up and I'm gonna test it and let you know, but it should be really good. And the old one is here. You can try to fix it, clean it, the edge, but I believe I bought those 4 pieces of those for probably 3 foot each piece for like $5 or $6, so it doesn't make even sense to try to recover. Just replace it and you're good. Let's see, looks like it's making some squeaking noise, but it's cleaning very well. Let's see from the outside. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, the cleaning is really, it's normal, like the regular one. Let's use it for a while and let's see how is it going.